Hello everyone, I am Nicholas, as you can probably still tell. Today I am showing you most of my face. I am wearing a gas mask for the sake of Ediblogs and me not being allowed to show my face. So, on that wonderful note, today is May 4th. It is also going to be 4th of the 5th of the 14th. Which means two things. One, it's Star Wars Day. Two, my friend, Toriam, it is her birthday. I will say happy birthday to her and leave a link to her blog in the description below. And also, another note of business. I have a friend on that blog, Jasmine PM or AM, I'm not sure, at this moment. I will leave a link to her blog in the link below. I will leave a link to her blog in the description below also. Because she has very few viewers and needs more. And I have like 30 some or another. So I'm going to lead them to her. That is it. With me, Nicholas. I am out. Goodbye. This is an awesome gas mask.